Like many of you out there, I didn't know where to start in order to gain some extra income apart from the day job that we all have. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my journey 8 months into starting some side hustles and earning some form of income. I'll share with you very transparently how much have I earned in total and how 2023 will be like so you can gain some inspiration, and I'll share with you some finance accounts that you can follow and also kickstart your journey side hustling into 2023. Let's go. In April 2022, I started this YouTube channel to share my personal finance knowledge. It was also in hopes to monetize this YouTube channel so that it can become a side income. And in December 2022, this channel got monetized because I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With the channel being monetized, I do receive some form of AdSense revenue, which is what you see at the start or in between these videos. You will see advertisements, and that is how YouTube pays us as creators. I will share with you a little bit more about the YouTube AdSense revenue a little later. The first source of income that I want to get into is a digital product that I've put out on my channel. For those of you who have followed me from the start, I started sharing about this Money Diary series where I challenged myself to save $1,500 every single month and only keep my expenditures to $400. And in order to put out the information on the Money Diaries videos, I created an annual budgeting spreadsheet which I put it on Buy Me a Coffee. For those of you who find the spreadsheet useful whenever I go through that video, you can actually purchase it for a price of $10. So in 2022, I sold 30 copies and it brought in an income of $390.33. That is the first source of income. Digital products is really great because you just need to put in effort at the start and it forms as a side income. For 2023, there is an annual budgeting spreadsheet which I have improved from the 2023 version. There are things like different breakdowns that I track, like my bond interest, my cashback, my different bank account interest as well. Go and check out the annual budgeting spreadsheet if you're interested. The second source of income is U-Trip referrals. Because I've been traveling very often, I often share that whenever you travel, you should be using a multi-currency debit card. It is not one that is from the banks, but you can look at companies like U-Trip, Trust Bank, and also Instagram. These three companies are relatively good to look at. Depending on your different needs, I would personally recommend using U-Trip and also Trust Bank. When I compared it in Taiwan, these two rates were very comparable, and you should not be using your bank's debit card or credit card because you'll be incurring dynamic currency conversion fees and also foreign exchange spread that is pretty wide, and you will not be getting the rates as close to what you search on Google or at the money exchanges in Singapore. I have videos on this channel talking about that, so if you're interested, go ahead and look at that. For U-Trip referrals in 2022, I racked in a total of $290. U-Trip gives you $5 when you sign up with them, and in turn, I also get $5. So whenever you guys sign up and use my referral link, I do get something back in return as well, and that has helped me to continue on in this journey. Whenever I share with you a referral and an affiliate link like U-Trip, I do get something back in return, and it really helps with supporting me to create this kind of videos to help you guys in your personal finance journey. And I've done the comparisons for you guys so you don't have to, and it saves you a lot of trouble as well. So that in a way supports me and the work that I do. Partnerships is the third source of income. By having a YouTube channel, companies would approach creators in order to help them put a product placement, but I personally do not put product placements unless I personally use them, like the Namane card in South Korea. Namane is a card that I personally use in South Korea because it helps me to not carry loose change around with me in Korea. It doubles as a debit card and also a transportation card. I really loved it, and I have 3 videos on this channel talking about it, which is why I encourage people who are traveling to South Korea to actually use Namane instead of T-Money. I worked with one company in 2022. I won't name what company it was, but I racked in a total of roughly around $200, and that is the third source of income. Fourth source of income that I'm going to share with you today is what a lot of you can do as well, is bond interest. Investing into bonds or stocks will give you some form of interest or dividends. My capital of investments into bonds is at $18,000, and in 2022, the interest that I received from the bonds that I have was $415.68. In total, my side hustles for 2022 came up to $1,299.36. If I divide it and spread it according to the 12 months, it will be $108 every single month. It is not much, but at least I got started somewhere, and it is how you can do so for yourself in 2023 as well. For myself, something new in 2023 I'm exploring is all the credit card affiliate links that I share with you guys. I share a lot about the different credit cards that I personally use, and I'm a cashback person. which is why I share cards like the Yobi, Evol, HSBC Revolution, and also DBS Live Fresh. I talk a lot about cashback strategies and how you can actually maximize the cashback on your expenditures, be it whether you're a no minimum spending person, $600 spending or $800 spending, there is a card out there for you guys. And sometimes when SingSaver runs a promotion, we will plug affiliate links out there. If you see on other finance channels as well, they do have affiliate links like that. So whenever you guys sign up, we do get something back in return, and it really helps on this journey for us to continue on creating this video. And yeah, so that is one source of income that I'm personally looking into in 2023. When it comes in, I hope I'll be able to share with you guys a rough estimate of how much it is. If you're thinking you are not someone who would start a YouTube channel, that is fine as well. Let me share with you some Instagram accounts that I've recently found and followed. It has really helped me in this journey as a creator, because being a creator is a lonely journey. Among my friends, no one is a YouTuber, no one is an Instagram person or a TikTok person. Having this community on Instagram that I follow share their personal journey in this creator side of things and inspiration that you can actually also start different side hustles has really helped me in this journey. So the first account that I want to share is Introverted Socially. Introverted Socially inspires you to create digital products. It doesn't mean that you have to have a big following, because on their first post, she actually mentioned about how she started selling digital products with only 500 followers, and it has helped and sparked her journey into digital products and inspiring other people to do the same as well. So it doesn't mean that you need to have 100,000 followers on Instagram or YouTube to be able to sell something online. As long as your product is useful, you package it well, there will be some people who will resonate with you and will be able to buy the product from you. With the budgeting spreadsheet, it was the same for me. I honestly felt like why am I doing this when everybody else can also go on Excel or Google Sheets to create a budgeting spreadsheet for themselves? But because I put the effort myself and I just put it out there on YouTube, sharing my own money diary series, some of you don't want the hassle of doing it for yourself, which is why at $10 you can just get the entire copy and already immediately use it for yourself. So this is one of the things that you can look into. I'm just giving you some ideas that you can start in 2023. The second account that I want to share with you is Money Loaf. Money Loaf is an American Instagram account. He is a straight up no bullshit kind of guy. He talks a lot about options investing and also starting investing into dividend giving stocks. It was because of his account that got me started into investing. You don't need a lot when you start investing into different stocks. You just need to find a trading platform and also a stock that you believe in and want to invest in for the long haul. So I started with Scythe Trade, and I have a journey talking about how I got started investing into the S&P 500, which you can look at. If you're a person who doesn't know where to start, have a look at that video. It is something that I share very transparently, how I got started for myself and how you can do it as well. And just by starting out 2 months ago, I have already received my first dividend income, and it is something that I want to grow in 2023. It doesn't mean that you have to put yourself out here on YouTube as a creator. You can start things like digital products, investing into dividend giving stocks or options trading. There are multiple things that you can start with side hustling. I have some YouTube videos that I watch talking about the different side hustles that you can start. I'll link them down in the description box below for you to watch the video next. So I hope this video has helped you. In 2023, my goals is to invest in more dividend paying stocks in order to help increase that form of income. And for bonds, I have already invested myself a lot into bonds, so it has created a steady form of interest payouts from the bonds that I've invested in. I'll show you a breakdown of what bonds I have invested and which are the months that are actually paying out the interest. So if you're a person who is very wary about investing and you're afraid of losing, you can look into things like the Singapore Savings Bond and also T-bills, which is what I've invested in myself as well. And I talk a lot about it in my emergency funds video, because I believe that the Singapore Savings Bond issued by the government is a very safe investment which you can put some of your emergency funds into because of various reasons. Go check out that video where I covered the emergency funds breakdown and why I think it's okay to invest some of it. I shared my personal allocations and I created an e-digital guide for free for you guys to look at. You can refer to that video up above and down below. I hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any side hustles in mind for 2023 that you are about to start. I'm with you guys in this journey to gaining financial freedom and creating a life that you would love to live. So follow along on this journey on YouTube, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Just in case I missed out talking about the AdSense revenue, I started getting monetized in December 2022. In January and in December, I have received AdSense revenue. However, AdSense doesn't allow you to withdraw the money until you have $150 in the account minimally. Only in February will I be able to withdraw the amount because in December, I only had $81.25 from AdSense revenue, and in January, that is still ongoing as of today. It is $102.29. This is how much all in all I get as a YouTuber with 1,500 subscribers and an average of 1,000 views a day. All thanks to you guys, this has become a source of income at the side. Although it's not much and I spend a lot of hours editing videos, filming videos, and also brainstorming ideas. Some of you have mentioned that it truly has helped you in your own personal finance journey. It encourages me from the bottom of my heart, honestly. So every time when you guys give me an encouraging comment, it keeps me going to try and find ways to help you guys in this journey. And hopefully by me sharing this personal finance journey here on YouTube, you don't feel so lonely talking about finances or thinking about your own finances. This has become something that I'm really passionate about and I really love sharing. So if you have anything that you want to say, leave them down in the comment section below and I hope to be able to engage with you guys.